Tired of backbreaking planting? Discover the Chapin 8701B garden push seeder. Say goodbye to aching backs and uneven rows. We're diving into the Chapin 8701B garden push seeder, a tool designed to revolutionize your planting process. The Chapin 8701B is a garden push seeder designed for efficient planting. It simplifies the process by marking, prepping, placing, and covering seeds in one motion. This tool is perfect for home gardeners, small farmers, and anyone looking to streamline their planting tasks. This seeder comes with 6 interchangeable seed plates, accommodating up to 20 seed varieties. The 1.5-liter hopper reduces refill frequency, saving you time and effort. It also features a zinc plow blade, wide rear wheel, and adjustable row marker for precise planting. The Chapin 8701B combines 4 essential planting steps into one smooth action. It marks the row, plows the soil, places the seeds, and covers the row. This efficient design eliminates the need for multiple tools, saving you time and energy. Built with a powder-coated steel frame, this seeder is designed for long-lasting performance. Cushioned handle grips provide comfortable operation, reducing strain during use. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around your garden. Customers rave about the Chapin 8701B's ease of assembly and use. One user on Amazon said it kicked butt on their 5.5-acre farm, praising its time-saving capabilities. Another highlighted its effectiveness with various seeds, including tiny carrot seeds. Some users noted a learning curve and the need for well-tilled soil. A few reviewers mentioned concerns about build quality, but most agree it's a great value for the price. It's best suited for row-based planting, not scattered sowing. You can find the Chapin 8701B garden push seeder on Amazon. Check the product page for the latest prices, customer reviews, and availability. The Chapin 8701B garden push seeder is a valuable tool for efficient planting. Its versatile features, durable design, and positive user feedback make it a worthwhile investment. Click the link in the description to check the current price and read more customer reviews on Amazon. Start planning smarter, not harder, with the Chapin 8701B.